Meaning of God.
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 God. God is a term used to refer to a supreme being or deity. The meaning of God varies across different religions and cultures, but generally God is seen as an all-powerful, all-knowing, and benevolent being who created the universe and oversees its course. Many people worship God through prayer, ritual, and devotion, as they believe that this can bring them closer to God and help them lead a virtuous life. However, some people do not believe in God at all, seeing the concept as a product of human imagination rather than a real entity.